Come back to the next topic, students. Potassium dichromate. By using potassium dichromate as a very strong oxidizing agent, it itself oxidizes the other ion. So it oxidizes the iodide ion to iodine. For example, in your exam, they may give oxidized potassium iodide to iodine only they will give. You should make into ionic equation K plus and I minus. So Ki will have a I minus. So here it is a I2 like as it is. I2 is always zero oxidation. I mean, if it is in an elementary state or in atomic state, it is zero oxidation state. So Cr2O72 minus, just now we solved the parent equation with the 6 electron and 14H plus and 2 chromium 3 plus and 7H2O considered as a first equation. Then our question is I minus to I2. So I minus 1, I2 is a 0. So this is the minus 1, this is 0. So which is maximum oxidation state? 0 is the maximum. The difference between minus 1 and 0 is 1. So that 1 is considered as a electron put in a higher oxidation number side. So this is 1 electron. But here it is a 2 iodine. So you put a 2 here and then you multiply the electron by 2. So you'll get a 2 electron I2 and 2 I minus. So here in the first equation, it is a, so this is called, I mean here only 2 electrons, but here 6 electron. To combine by adding this two equations, we should get a same number of electrons. So in order to get a same number of electrons, you just multiply this equation by 2 and this equation multiply by 6. Or it is very easy. This full equation you multiply by 3, immediately you will get a 6 electron. Here already is a 6 electron. Any one method you can follow. So I used the 2I minus gives I2 plus 2 electron. So multiply by 3. So 3 into 2, 6I minus gives 3I2 because it is only 1 I2. So 3I2, 2 into 3, 6 electrons. So this is a second equation. Now add a first equation and second equation. Again, I have written first equation Cr272 minus 6 electron 14H plus gives 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. Second equation 6I minus gives 3I2 plus 6 electrons. So now when you add it, you should see this before this arrow marks are same, we should add up. Here all the product side are same, we should add up. Reactant side is same, we should add up. If the product side and reactant side are same, whatever it is, if it is same means opposite side, if it is same means we should cancel it up. So here 6 electron in reactant side, here 6 electron in product side get cancelled. So write as it is. How to write means not writing this way and then come this. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom like that you should write. Cr2O72 minus plus 6I minus, then 14H plus, there is nothing. So arrow mark gives 2Cr3 plus, immediately come 3I2, then 7H2O. Like this one. This is the way of writing, the rule of writing. So we are getting balanced equation. This is the correct answer for you. We take the book and now verify it. Then another example, oxidize ferrous salt to ferric salt. FeSO4 to Fe2SO4 thrice. So this formula also will be given in sometimes an exam. Direct question you cannot expect. So in FeSO4 is Fe is 2 plus and Fe2SO4 thrice Fe is a 3 plus. So Fe2 plus and here Fe3 plus. So Fe2 plus is oxidized to Fe3 plus is the question. So whatever the question, if it is given in a salt form or a, you should write make into ionic form. Only then this question will be very easy question. So Cr2O72 minus plus this Fe2 plus gives Cr3 plus plus Fe3 plus. Sometimes this equation will be given and they will ask you to balance the equation. So split this equation into two steps. So two sets. One is chromium and chromium one set, iron and iron second set. So Cr2O72 minus gives Cr3 plus one set and Fe2 plus gives Fe3 plus second set. So I have taken the first set. Cr2O72 minus gives Cr3 plus. Already I taught chromium plus 6 and here the chromium plus 3. Difference is 3. So put a 3 electrons. But here that the 3 is a higher oxidation number side we should put. Chromium 2, but here chromium 1 did 1, so I should balance the 2. So in order to balance 2 chromium, we should multiply by 2, so we got a 6 electrons. So to balance the oxygen, put a water to the deficient side of oxygen. So here 7 oxygen, here no oxygen, put 7 H2O. To balance hydrogen to the left hand side, multiply the 7 into 2, 14, add a 14H plus in the deficient side of hydrogen. We got Cr2O7 minus plus 6 electron plus 14H plus gives 2 Cr3 plus 7. This is parent. So this is skeletal equation. So this equation is followed by all the examples. So but our question is Fe2 plus is oxidized to Fe3 plus. So what? Fe2 plus gives Fe3 plus. Find the oxidation state of differences. 2 and 3 is only 1. So that 1 is considered as an electron. We should put near the higher oxidation state number. So here 1 electron we have added. So but in the first equation we have a 6 electrons. So we should multiply by 6. The full equation should be multiplied in order to get the same number of electrons. 6 Fe2 plus 6 Fe3 plus 6 electron. It is considered as a second equation. Add the first equation and the second equation. First equation Cr2O7 minus plus 6 electron plus 14H plus gives 2 Cr3 plus 7 H2O, and this second equation 6 Fe2 plus an arrow mark and 6 Fe3 plus 6 electron. Already I told you, if it is in a reactant side, product sides are same means to be cancelled. Reactant side same means adding, and product side same means adding. If product side and reactant sides are same means opposite side same means cancelled. 6 electron is cancelled, 6 electron is cancelled, and write one by one, not in a straight. Cr2O7 minus, then 6 Fe2 plus, then 14H plus is there, nothing is there, so arrow mark, 2 Cr3 plus this one, 6 Fe2 plus 7 H2. It is completely balanced. Thanks for watching, students.